Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our backup camera in a 2014 Porsche Cayenne. So that's where we put the camera. That's the OEM fit camera. This is our latest interface video. It's super easy to install. So simply by going to reverse, the screen shifts to backup camera, and it comes with dynamic parking guidelines, and it retains the factory sensors too. As you can see right now, sensors are activated. If you're interested to get these type of backup cameras for Porsche Cayenne, Porsche Panamera or 911, give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online at 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.